Welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to use or how to scan QR code from TikTok apps. So if you are want to scan some QR code, maybe you are from the TikTok Seller Center or any TikTok referral or reference you want to scan, you just open your TikTok app and open your profile and then go to the right upper right there. You can see there is an option of burger icon or triple line icon. Just click that one and then click this setting and privacy, and then you can see this is the QR code. When I click this QR code, this is my own QR code, so people can scan this one and then add me as a following or as a friend. After that, you can, this is my QR code. That doesn't really matter actually. This is for the video. This is how to scan the QR code. See, if I click that scan, it will be shown the camera on these TikTok apps. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you visit, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.